Alright, so here we are. I got the Great Stuff foam off of the pipe. I had put a PVC connection, but as you can see, there's a smaller PVC here. And this gasket goes from a larger size to a smaller size. But what was happening is that this end, there was still a lip in this cast iron pipe. I did clear it out. That's why it was dismembered. I did clear it out. But the size difference between this and this pipe was creating tension. So if a lot of water went in, it would spill out. Now it's to the outside, so it's not a huge issue, but I want to get it perfected. And I realized also that this cast iron pipe is rusted, so I want to slow that down and see if I can retard it. So I have a naval jelly rust dissolver. I'm going to clean this with a wire brush, put this in the inside and outside. I have nitrate gloves for chemicals, and then I have a kind of like a rust primer, so I'm definitely going to wear a respirator mask for this. Then the next course of action, I was advised to angle this pipe to lessen the tension when the water goes down. I'm going to put some plumber's putty in there and top it off with JB Water Weld epoxy and try to form a tight bond. Then put duct tape around it, and that should give me much better results than this great foam that I had all over, which is not waterproof, and you know, it's kind of an amateur fix, and we're not fixing the rust problem here either, so that needs to be addressed. Alrighty.